Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're gonna do is that first what you want to do is go here into the search bar, and from here type in product reviews importer, something like that, because we'd be importing our product reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. And click here on view or search here in Shopify App Store. Click on this one, and then you should be prompted right here. And from here, what you want to do is to select this one. This is what I recommend. But of course, you can feel free to choose any other apps right here, depending on your preference or what you need specifically. But I think this one is already good. So we're going to click on this one and click on install right here. And let's install this into our store right here and click on install again right here. And now let's wait for it to get installed right there. And now it has now been successfully installed right here. And one thing about this product is, or this app, is that it has a free plan available, which means you don't have to pay anything for that plan. So unless you want to upgrade some features, then of course you'd have to pay. And from here, what you want to do is that you want to go for import reviews right here. And all you have to do basically is you can go and import in bulk or import many products and so on right here. But you can search a product name and so on right here. So what I'm going to do is that we are going to go here into AliExpress and let's choose a product right here. So let's say I want to import maybe this one right here. I'm gonna click on this product right here, and then from here, now that we have selected this product, all we have to do is to copy the link right here. Click on copy and go back into your Shopify store. And by the way, right here, as you can see, I now have products right here. So what you need is that you need to have products in your Shopify store in order for you to see it right here. And all we have to do is paste this link right here in the product URL, and all of and the in the reviews of this product right here will be imported right here on my product here in my Shopify store. So number of reviews, maybe I just want to put in like 15, I think. And from here, what you want to do is you can also go for import all available reviews, or you can translate import reviews and so on right here. But I think this setting is already good for me, so I'm gonna click here on import. So now once I import it, then now it would load like this one right here, and all we have to do now is wait. All right, so now it's done loading, and then as you can see, it has now been successfully imported, and now we have 15 reviews right here, as you can see. And now to see if all of this is now good, you want to go here into online store right here, and let's view the product. So from here, click here on customize right there. And from here, you want to go into your catalog right here, or into your product section, so that you can see that product. And then as you can see right here, I have this. So I'm going to go click on this product right here. And from here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go for the app section right here. So right here, app embeds. And from here, I'm going to go and turn this on right here. So from here, the next thing is that I'm gonna go and add it. So I'm gonna go here, and from here we're just gonna go here into the ad block section right here. Click on ad block, and from here click on apps, and you want to go for product reviews right here on the open new. So click on that, and then it would now be prompted right here. As you can see, let's just wait for it to load, and there it is. So as you can see, we now have the reviews right here, and as you can see, the reviews aren't too good because I think this is not a really good product right here from AliExpress, but it's fine because this is just a random product that we chose. And now we have our product reviews imported from AliExpress. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.